Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Time to do the third part. After this, we will be done with our first sample paper. So let's get started. First, I have already opened the source file, and we will hit the point we need to do. The first point is to select a template you like. In our, we can see that this type of template is selected. So let's go select it. For selecting the template, you need to come into the design, and here you will find that template. Now the template is added. Now first point is completed. Time to do second point. Second point is to add date and slide number for each slide. So let's add date and slide number to each slide. So for that we need to come here and select any slide that you want, maybe 1, 2, 3, anyone you want. Go into the insert, and slide number and date and time option are here. We can click on date and time. Here you can find both slide number and date and time. Select the time or date you want, style type you want. I will select this and slide number, and I will click on apply to all. Now date and slide number is applied to all slide. If you want to remove slide number or date from any slides, let's suppose from first slide. So for that you have to again come here and deselect it and click on, do not click on apply to all, click on only apply. So it will remove it from the first slide, and many slides have this feature. So our second point is completed, and time for the third point. Add hyperlink from the content in slide 2 to the corresponding 3 to 5 slide, in each of which an action button should be added to return to second slide. So let's do it. So now we are on our second slide, and we need to add the hyperlink. So for adding the hyperlink, select the text, go into the insert, and here you will find the hyperlink option. Click on it, click on file or web page. We want to add to file, so click on place this document, and here you can find the slides. I want to link my first title to slide 3, so select it and click OK. Our first hyperlink is created. Now I will create remaining 2 hyperlinks, and we will see they are working or not. So again, repeat the process. Select the title, go on to hyperlink, select file or web page, place in this document, and I'm going to connect fourth slide to it. Okay, and now last, again select a title, hyperlink, file and web page, place the document, and castle in the sky, fifth slide. Okay, and now we are going to check whether our hyperlinks are working or not. For that, can come into slideshow, and from current slide, these are our hyperlinks. If I click on any hyperlink like castle in the sky, it will connect me to castle in the sky. And if I now can go back, spirited away to spirited away, yes, our hyperlinks are working. So our this first part of this step is completed. Now we have to complete the second part of adding the action button. So let's do it. Add the action buttons. Hyperlink will take us from this slide to that slide, and action button will bring us back to first slide. So for adding the action button, we can go to the insert and shapes, any shape that you want. I am going with this square shape, and making a square shape here. You can type if you want anything that you want to do. So you can create text box, anything. So we have created a shape, and now select the shape, go into the insert, and go into action setting. In the action setting, click on hyperlink to which slide. So we know for that, click on slide option, and we want to connect it to second slide contents. Okay, and okay. Now we have created our button, action button, and we have to create it for our every slide. So let's create it. Insert shape, Now I'm going to create a round shape for this. Any setting that you want, change here like this, anything that you want. And you may type something here, like I will type action button. You can change the text setting like color of text to something or something like this. Make it bigger, shorter. I'm changing color to something white like yellow. And now select this again, go into the insert and action setting, hyperlink, hyperlink to slide and content, and OK. Again, this is hyperlinked. Now for last slide, again come here, insert, shape, any shape that you want. Make this shape type anything like action button. Again, select it, go into the insert. Here you can find the action setting, click on it, hyperlink to slide and content, and OK, and click on OK. Again, our action button is created. Now we can check it whether they are working or not. So again, I will go to slideshow, and from current slide, I will click any like spirited away, and I will now click on action button, so it will bring us back from where we have already started. So that's good. Our this point is completed. Time to move to the next point. Fourth point, the animation setting should be as follows. The animation fact of third slide should be fly in from the bottom, fast picture first and then the title. Okay, and choose the slide transition fact as you like for our slides. Okay, we will do it. I think it's our last point, so let's do it. And we can come to our third slide, and first we need to do animation for picture and then for text. So first select the picture, came here to animation. You can also find something here, but we need to apply fly in, which is already here. Let me check again. Fly in from the bottom. Yes, we need to apply fly in. Yes, it will fly in from the bottom. And after that, we need to apply the fly into the text. Again, select the text, go to animation and apply fly in. Now we can select, we can check that our this is working or not. Go into the slideshow, current slide, and yes, first appears the picture and then title. Now our last point, second part of our last point, which is to add the slideshow, to add the transition to every slide. Anyone you want to like fade or swipe or anything. I am going with the fade. I can apply to all, so we can check from our first slide that our things are working normally or not. Go on to slideshow and from beginning from current slide, and yes, it's fading. And now we can go everywhere we want, and it's working. And let's see, animation is also working. That's good. And this is the last part of our first sample paper. Thank you.